Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 20 and how to improve a communication skill with an English blog. The first one you are to clarity of my background. Okay, does not matter my background. Why? Because that is the purity of content and which type of deliver for you. For example, today I am a life learning journey. Today date is a 23 November 2025 and the life learning lesson for my life and my dream. Which one? Why? Because I meet my mentor, my teacher, my guidance, and which one my favorite mentor? Okay, that is the Muhammad sir. So I meet this meeting of the 2.5 hours approximately, and so lots of knowledge share for your journey and my journey. But which type of difficulty face of the as a education industry? Okay, at the time all of dimension clear for the, only for 2 minutes 2 hours debate as type of discussion, but at the time I'm only for one perspective of change my life. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. Why? Only for this sentence of your my life to all of perspective change relative. First one, coaching industry are very different mindset of your difficulty face off, but literally you are change of mind how can build a new era. Why? Because some circumstances of your society, for example caste or religion and other one, but do not believe the bitter truth of your life, of the education system. Why? Because every parents are not concept clarity which one person to write content available, and that is the not a properly value. That is the biggest lawful of the nowadays society. But don't man, don't worry. You are change your mindset. Why? Because this is my idol. Okay, don't not matter which one person is the other one behind of the other one like of you, but at the time my inspirational as person. Why? Because the every time to focus your goal, every time to consistent a dream. That is the reality of a mentor. So I am highly true deliver for you. You believe your and wait and watch which type of your person behavior for you, and come back at that time. Wait and watch. Okay, so thank you so much sir. I am very grateful for your spend of the time. You not a time of the only for 200 minutes, but you are to as well my learner and my learning life learning lesson for 200 minutes to spend for my time, and your precious time to spend for my life change of the one of the part biggest mistake you are to solve this. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.